Hey, what are those glasses and blender doing out? Must be margarita time. No, it's hot out. Maybe you can't get to your local restaurant or bar. Do not settle for pre-mixed margarita junk. We're gonna make this super easy, nice and fresh. And we're gonna start it off here. You know the drill. Ingredient list. Patron or any clear tequila that you like. Patron's pretty decent stuff. It's not too expensive, so we like to go with that. 4 ounces. Right, we're gonna make 2 glasses, so we need 4 ounces of tequila. Cointreau, 2 ounces. This is an orange flavored liquor. That's our little twist. You can use triple sec, many places do. It's just the same. This will make it a little bit stronger. Squeeze 2 fresh limes, or 2 ounces, I should say, of fresh lime juice. You can get pre-done or pre-squeezed lime juice, that's fine. I like using fresh, and optionally, we picked up some margarita salt to rim our glasses, and we will go ahead and get started and start quenching that thirst. So this is how you create a perfect margarita from scratch. I use some coarse salt. Apparently some people like sugar, but either way, it's very refreshing. Tastes so good, very balanced. Nothing's overpowering. This would be a good excuse to go outside right now and just relax and maybe create another drink or two. Until next time, just catch a buzz at your cuz. Make sure you're 21, make sure you're healthy enough to consume alcohol.